The frequency of food, how what you eat shapes your energy and health. According to HeartMath Institute, your heart generates the most powerful electromagnetic field in the human body. This field shifts based on your emotional and physiological state. Dr. Richard Gerber said in his book, Vibrational Medicine, that every cell has a frequency. When we are healthy, those frequencies are coherent and in harmony. Food as frequency. Most people think of food as fuel, but food is also a carrier of frequency, a transmitter of energy. Every bite you take affects your biology, but also your mood, clarity, and vibrational field. This video explores how certain foods nourish not just your body, but your nervous system, your mitochondria, and your mind. Rich mind and heart, the ancient wisdom combined with science. Discover how small intentional shifts can rewire your brain, strengthen your body, and ignite your spirit. Each video shows you how to unlock the full power of your biology, energy, and soul. We don't ask for donations, but please tap like and hit subscribe. Your engagement is all we need. Please take a deep breath and start your transformation. Scientific foundation, food and cellular energy. At the core of your cells are mitochondria, your biological power plants. They take in oxygen and nutrients and convert them into ATP, cellular energy. High quality, whole foods rich in micronutrients help optimize this process. Low quality, ultra-processed foods disrupt it. Inflammation, oxidative stress, and blood sugar crashes are not just physiological responses. They impact your focus, mood, and even spiritual awareness. Foods that lower energy and biofield coherence. Let's look at foods that disrupt vibrational harmony. 1. Refined sugar. 2. Processed meats. 3. Seed oils. Canola, soybean, sunflower. 4. Artificial sweeteners. 5. Factory farm dairy. 6. Microwave meals. 7. Soda and energy drinks. 8. Chemically dyed foods. 9. Overprocessed fast food. 10. Emotionally driven comfort eating. These foods may satisfy short-term cravings, but leave the nervous system in a state of low coherence. A dissonance you can feel as heaviness, mental fog, or low mood. Foods that amplify energy, clarity, and mood. Now let's shift to foods that nourish your vibrational field and mitochondria. 1. Dark leafy greens, spinach, kale. 2. Raw fruits, especially berries, figs, grapes. 3. Fermented foods, kimchi, sauerkraut, miso. 4. Sprouts, broccoli, alfalfa, lentil. 5. Herbal teas, tulsi, reishi, chamomile. 6. Raw honey. 7. Structured water or spring water. 8. Himalayan salt. 9. Ceremonial cacao. 10. Dates and fig. These foods are nutrient-dense, alive with enzymes, and carry electromagnetic coherence, supporting clarity, lightness, and emotional stability. The role of structured water and cold exposure, beyond food, water, and temperature, regulate our vibrational state. Structured water, found in fruits, springs, or created by vortexing, holds a crystalline molecular pattern that improves cellular hydration and biofield harmony. Masaru Emoto's experiments showed that water responds to intention, emotion, and sound. Likewise, cold exposure, such as cold baths, acts as a vibrational reset. It improves mitochondrial function, balances the nervous system, clears emotional static, creates clarity and spiritual stillness. Conclusion: eat for frequency, not just fuel. Food is biology, but it is also frequency. When you eat with intention, your food becomes a message to your brain, your body, your soul. Eat to fuel energy. Eat to support coherence. Eat to awaken your inner clarity. Your food shapes more than your health. It shapes your vibration. What does vibration mean in scientific terms? In science, vibration refers to cyclical movement of particles at the atomic and molecular level. Everything, including the human body, is in constant motion, and this motion produces measurable frequencies, often recorded in hertz. In the human body, vibration manifests as bioelectrical activity in cells, especially neurons, muscles, and heart tissue, oscillations of the heart and brain, measurable by tools like EEG, brain waves, and EKG, heart rhythm, and the electromagnetic field emitted by the heart, now measurable several feet beyond the body. What many refer to as high or low vibration in spiritual terms, science explores through the human biofield, a term supported by institutions like the National Institutes of Health and UC San Diego. Autonomic nervous system regulation, particularly how stress or calm states affect the body's coherence. Heart-brain coherence, a synchrony between heart rhythms, breathing, and brainwave states. Don't stop here. There's more waiting for you. More space, more insights, more truths ready to meet you, exactly where you are now. Take a step into the next episode. Maybe it holds the answer you've been seeking, or the question that could change everything. See you soon on the next step of your journey. Rich mind and heart.